Welcome to Matlacha, a quaint and colorful slice of paradise nestled along Florida's Gulf Coast. Let's take a brief journey through its rich history. Originally inhabited by the Calusa Indians, Matlacha's name is believed to come from the Calusa word for water to the chin. In the late 19th century, settlers began to arrive drawn by the abundant fishing and fertile land. By the early 20th century, Matlacha had established itself as a thriving fishing community, with its majestic waterfront dotted with fish houses and docks bustling with activity. However, in August of 2023, Matlacha faced its greatest challenge yet, when Hurricane Ian made landfall, unleashing its fury upon this coastal gem. The powerful storm wreaked havoc on Matlacha, causing widespread flooding and devastation to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. But true to its resilient spirit, the community of Matlacha rallied together. United in the face of adversity to rebuild and restore their beloved island. Today, Matlacha stands as a testament to the strength and determination of its people. A vibrant and thriving community that continues to rise above the challenges brought by Hurricane Ian. So whether you're exploring its charming art galleries, savoring fresh seafood at a local restaurant, or simply taking in the breathtaking sunset over Matlacha Pass, one thing is for certain, the spirit of Matlacha shines bright. This is Matlacha, where history meets resilience and beauty meets the sea.
This has been a Digital 410 production.